Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a muddy yard. This video will explore everything you need to know about ways to keep your yard free from mud, so stick around for that. First, assess drainage issues and improve surface drainage. Identify areas with water accumulation in your yard, such as low-lying spots or near downspouts or gutters. Determine the primary water runoff and infiltration sources, including surface runoff, improper grading, or inadequate drainage infrastructure. To improve surface drainage, grade your yard to create gentle slopes that direct water away from problem areas and towards suitable drainage outlets. Alternatively, you can install French drains to capture and divert excess water from your yard, preventing waterlogging and eventually muddying it. Install permeable surfaces. Porous surfaces allow water to penetrate your yard's surface, helping to nourish roots and prevent surface runoff that can lead to muddy conditions. Moreover, by installing porous surfaces, you take control of rainwater runoff. Instead of water rushing off your yard's surface, carrying soil and creating muddy areas, permeable surfaces absorb the water like a sponge. Planting water-absorbing vegetation. This can fix your muddy yard by reducing excess water buildup. You can opt for varieties known for their water-absorbing qualities. Native grasses have deep root systems that penetrate compacted soil and absorb excess moisture. Perennial flowers have fibrous root systems that can soak up water and stabilize the soil. These plants work together to create a resilient landscape that can withstand wet conditions without becoming muddy. Redirect gutters. Gutters are designed to channel rainwater away from your home's foundation, but if they discharge water too close to your yard, it can lead to water pooling and muddy conditions. By redirecting gutters, you ensure that water is directed away from your yard, preventing it from accumulating in low-lying areas and causing muddy patches. Installing sod or turf reinforcement. These provide instant coverage, and by installing them, you create a durable and erosion-resistant surface that prevents soil erosion and reduces water runoff. Their dense root system helps anchor the soil in place, preventing it from becoming soggy and muddy during heavy rainfall. So there you have it. Fixing your muddy yard should be very easy. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.